To check your transaction history on American Express, you can easily do so through their website or mobile app. Follow these steps to access your transaction details. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the Eshrock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Account Activity. Once logged in, look for the Account Activity or Transactions section on the main dashboard. This is where you can view your recent transactions. Step 3. Select the desired account. If you have multiple accounts, choose the specific American Express card for which you want to check the transaction history. This will filter the transactions accordingly. Step 4. Set the date range. Most platforms allow you to customize the date range for the transactions you want to view. Select the start and end dates to narrow down your search. Step 5. Review your transactions. After setting the date range, scroll through the list of transactions. You can click on individual transactions for more details such as merchant information and transaction amounts. By following these steps, you can easily access and review your transaction history on American Express. If you have any questions or need further assistance, consider reaching out to their customer service for help.